pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakara mutuze, pass and move, pass and move.
Welcome to Deep 3 TV. This is a Pass and Move special, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. It's the second half of the Castle Lager Premier Soccer League. It's a Highlanders Football Club taking on Bulawayo Chiefs right here at Emma Kumeni Baba Fields Stadium. My brother, how are you?
I'm not too bad. How you doing?
I'm good. You said you are visiting from?
Boston, Massachusetts, USA.
Oh, you ran away from for the World Cup, then you came to see the local derby.
No, I'm here to see mom and family, you know. Yeah.
Then you heard about local derby.
Yeah, I did, and I wanted to see it because the last time I was here was when I was a little kid. Highlanders Caps versus in Castle Cup. Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's the Castle Premier Soccer League. It's Highlanders taking on Bulawayo Chiefs.
Yeah.
How do you see today's game going?
I think Boso 2-1. 2-1 Boso.
Yeah. Also, you're favoring Highlanders.
Yeah, favoring Highlanders.
Nice one, my brother.
All right.
Let's hope I see you after the game. Maybe your prediction will come through.
All right, thank you for having me, man. 2-1 Boso.
Nice one, my brother. Nice one. My brother umphathele yogurt.
Yeah, lami ngenzela ukuthi la liyachisa le lawo umsebenzi owenza uqhakatheke kakhulu ukuthi lathi sibone sokubona kude. Lathi siyaziwe ngomphakathi yabona.
Awona vele usiyaziyo ubona idele usiyajikelisa uthi.
Ukhuluma khonokho nathi lapha. Ukhuluma kunjengakuphi futhi.
But uyakwazi ukuthi khona ungene ekhaya usiyajikelisa uthi bakwazi ukufa injizi.
Khona kuyana ngiyakwazi ukuthi kuyingozi ngabe namhlanje ngeni phakathi namhlanje phakathi eceleni lapha eceleni into enjalo kuyenza siyathatha noma kanjani sobukela into eyiround ngithanda ukuthi uZulu wonke lapha khona azizwe happy akulamsindo ozowenzakala akulani sifuna i3 point kuphela.
The prediction
into enjani lesikhiwa phela yasesaba mina.
Alright, ubona iscore ke bayingayikayo.
Laphana iscore laphana mina vele lo 2-0. 2-0.
Mbani ohlohlayo?
Ohlohlayo sizahlohlela uReason sihlohlele u14 nalwa. Yiyo amascores engiwabonayo khona pha.
Alright, just one after Boruta afa.
Nyamono. Ethawu Nyamono. Siyabonga mfowethu.
My brother Oshap.
Top 3.
Amna.
Wona. Khuluma nami ngizwe.
Wona tshela mina igame namhla ibona njani?
Hayi namuhla hayi. Amadlwane lawa. Amadlwane lawa vele siyakukarabha lokho.
Ukabarabha ngayo.
Athi la uthi the problem yokuhlala suna 1-0 kuphela. Yafana that day lapha sisuni 1-0 ya. Atsho ukuthi kwahlohla so additional time. 3 minutes. Fara omunye umuntu ebaziyo uhlala eCastle lami ngale. Wazalisela ngo 45 years. Sesilakhi theba.
Alright, my brother. Just one after Boruta afa. Shamsha.
Yebo, njani?
Skipper.
Kula.
Long time my bro.
Angikhona.
Mnandi. Wena ngani ngole inhlanhla namuhla. Anti wazi ngihamba le Lucky Bets. No. You're feeling like
I'm feeling like I'm always like.
Ngiyabuza wani mbuzo kuphela ubusumphendula. Nxa ufuna ukungena ku Lucky Bets uregister ku Lucky Bets uhamba nga.
Ku Chrome then siregister ku luckybets.co.za.
Number 1. Wena ngohle wayichako nesikhangazo kuthi uthi ule account ye Lucky Bets.
Yeah, i-account ifanele ibe khona.
Number 1. Na umuntu le Lucky Bets umphathele iskipper zakhe se Lucky Bets. Uzijayele kahle. Siyabonga continue ubhethe utshela abanye.
All right, sharp. Thank you.
Nice one my brother. Chairman.
Wala Putunja.
Mnandi, one love my brother.
One love brother man.
Welcome to Deep 3 TV.
Wala.
Zwan. Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs. Ibona njani game namhlanje?
Izowina iBhoso ngenkani.
Iwina ngaki?
2-0.
Mbani ohlohlayo?
Kuzohlohla uMavis, bathi nguMavis Sibanda. Lo uMalvin ya, lo bathi ubani? Awuzohlohla 2-1 izobuya from ikhona.
Nice one chapa.
Thank you siyabo.
Shamba brother. Oya. Putha siyami.
Awupha mntala. Bese
Konke mnandi namhla ama celebrations.
well done. Wonke into vele siyakholisa kuphela.
Ukholisile game kodwa.
Kakhulu mntala mangikholise kakhulu mina. Hayi. Umbeba siyambonga lobe nje ekwazama ama slip and flops but hayi uzamile. Awuzamile yonke into. Anyway, apha to rounds la ibonga ungena but hayi. Anyway, konke kube right.
Man of the match kube mbani?
Man of the match wami amparamba mkhiphile uPrince abamkhiphile but what hayi anyway konke ku right yahle
konke kumnandi
kakhulu ngiyathaba kakhulu chomna.
Nice one my brother.
Asibonga kakhulu chiwayi.
Nice one my brother.
Hayi ngiyathaba kakhulu namhla ngihappy ngenxa yokuthi
Sharp, my brother. How far nje?
Sho mtala.
Konke mnandi namhla ama celebrations kuyafika.
Zimnandi ayidlile namhla team yethu idlile. Stopile hayi awafana bekhaya. Akukho kuningi hayi.
Konke mnandi.
Siyabonga.
Man of the match okube mbani nje?
Sanika uThawa Andrombeba.
Undlele kakhulu.
Andrombeba uyayilinda.
Nice one nje. Samamoza webhoso.
Yimi senginathi bafo.
Awufa khuluma lapha Samamoza.
I'm happy. Benji is doing wonders. Ibhosi yakwenza gazi lami. Ibhosi yakwenza.
Ama celebrations all out.
Ama celebrations avela I have nothing to complain about ngoba into ade ngikhangelele uBenji uyenzile. He substituted on time. Abafana they delivered good results. Thumbs up for Benjani.
Celebrate ngapi lo mama namhla?
Ngudade wethu.
My sister.
Anti
Kamoyo celebrate
Clubhouse. Yeah.
Sharp Mamoza. Sharp my Benjani game.
You be perfect.
We enjoyed.
I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you, my sister.
Pamberi ne boss.
Nice one. Pinda futhi bese.
Pamberi ne boss.
So wena sathi ulishona le boss.
Shona le boss.
Nice one. How far my brother?
kanjalo. Siyabonga.
Anamhla yabona so masifala amancane.
Hayi lana thing aphuma nje so. But yabona ibhola hayi kuyashota something but I know. Hayi happy.
Nice one my brother.
Vele favor mnahle uphiri bayithani benthe mina ibhosi 2-1.
Nice one my
But yaphuma uthi abadala bavumile ngale Malawi.
Nice one my brother.
Ibhola 2-1.
Nice one my brother. Mara izipura siyapha.
Show my guy.
Ezinkulu.
Mnandi safe my brother.
Angubona uzocha prediction.
Namhlanje prediction being late. So.
But otherwise it was a
Nice game. I know a good game. Unfortunately we are not utilizing ama chances ethu nama forwards ethu. We still have some work to do yabo. Fuze sinika amandla phambili. Yeah. Siyabonga uMarwari substitution. Yeah, standard. Hayi lokho akujayele ukukwenza. Namhlanje siyabonga. Ubonile ukuthi uDai is missing the in action. Watchinja kahle. Thank God lathi njani. Sayihlohle 2-1 it's a win. 1 2 3 points.
Let's go man. Man of the match okubhali.
Man of the match wami namhlanje nguPavari. My best player, best sign of the season ku Highlander. Best man of the match today. Siyabonga.
Nice one. Mana yizu German. My brother
Eputi umtito hayi ngizahlabela inhlamba but kodwa ibhosani uBenji seqalile anto yisecond leg leyi come on Benjani man Marwaru man ayenda
Sithanda ukubonga bese sidiniwe ngama draw.
Khuluma lekhosi lizwe khosi buyanga.
Yabona bese sidiniwe ngama draw. That sithanda ukubonga namuhla i-teammate ize yachaya. Last week Thursday sidlalile. Sithale 1-0. Namuhla 2-1.
6 points esikhona.
Yabona sesibongile.
Khosi wena ubona njani game?
Amalanga awafani lamhla yiSunday kusasa iMonday we are going to in the next game kuphelile khonapha akule kudlula khonapha anjalo ama sports
Tough luck khosi. German
okoqala mhla ngithanda ukubonga uBenji ama substitute akade right very correct awulanto yenzile wrong ibhola lamhla beli correct uwina vele thina sibuya besizitshela ukuthi hayi size draw but hayi okwalamhla semtshayela izandla umdala Benji
khuluma nami boys.
Afa my brother.
Khuluma nami boys.
Hayi ibhola lidlaliwe. But I think yabona kuBoys unumber 14. Lo dalo Pavari lapha. Kule something elekayo omele siyenze. Kule something engane yaleka for the defense simnandi. Le forward yethu lapha. Umnethereni usebenza overtime e1. Akala umuntu enjani umuntu omsupportayo. So please sicela ukuthi ku game lesa eDynamo Sland kuzama kuba le change lapha kube le change
Otherwise 3 points in the back you are happy.
namhla sithethe 1 2 3
Sharp my brother. Mtara alpha skipper Mtara.
Amnandi sharp mina. Mina into eyijabulela namhlanje. We maintain the situation and then into eyifuna against the next week game and mina uBenji mina into engayifuna uthe maintenance
Akamaintain ku-midfield
kuphela.
Ku-midfield kuphela.
Ora mana izuma isitho muvumelana lawo.
Yazi indlela andlalele ngakhona nti I'm happy kakhulu. Sangathi lo mahatsha ngahlale khona throughout. Yazi ngijabula izitayela zonke ngizaphuma la ku-TV yakithi. Sikhiwa.
Nice one my sister. My brother.
Top Thokozile. Nice substitution yenziweyo. Well played Mahaji. Usebenzise experience lapha ekhaya. Top Thokozile siyakubongela. Yonke into mnandi. Ine team umnandi ngeyakho team lapha ekhaya.
Nice one.
Sonke dala. Top Thokozile.
Nice one brother. Put on.
Mfowethu.
Let's keep on.
Siyaphila mfowethu.
Game 3 points is coming, 6 points iviki yonke uyibona njani namhlanje?
Like I said that other day, ukuthi ucoach wethu i-assembling yakhe kakatshintshi i-assembling yakhe. I think maybe he saw the video ukuthi siyamtshela azama utshintsha i-assembling yakhe. Today his substitution was super P. It was super P. There's nothing we can say hayi lapha. Only uyagcina umonge emkhangela ukuthi kasiniki any result. Uyabe lokhu emgcinile umonga. Instead of ukuthi amkhiphe ibhedeni lapha empeni amchedisele emuva mbijana afaka umuntu ole power. Because namhlanje vele team leya, yes of course we are attacking but phambili wathi kwani beyi-1 while thina sifaka abantu abaningi ukuthi ba-attack beku-attacka 1. So indaba yakhe ku-double anchor futhi uMarwaro kumele ayiyekele. Why esebenzisa uPawari nomkhulu at the same time? He should use one of them. Then if seeing ukuthi lo omunye useflopha besefalwa than ukuthi afake abantu abadlala same position babe begijimisana sebemakana bona. So I think today thumbs up to Marwaro.
Nice one my brother.
Brothers, mina into engayitsho yabona namhla abafana indlela abadlale ngayo. Badlala imnandi ngoba bebedlala bafana bebulaya iChiefs sana. Bethi bedlala bafana bebulaya iChiefs sana. Hayi mina ngizola ngalutho. Igame ibemnandi. So mina mbono
brother.
Yes
Keep on my brother.
Angishaphina otherwise.
3 points is coming ibona njani game?
Nazi mina 3 points lesikhoma sami sesiqombile.
6 points ngeviki.
6 points ngeviki. Kahle lapha naswinile previous but eseswinile uBenji besimzola but kahle uBenji yazama. uBenji yazama man. Kahle mina ngokubona kwami abafana today badlalile iplayer Chiefs ngiyali iplayer Chiefs ngabafowethu but kahle iBoso namhlanje ayidlalile. Hayi ngiyabonga umnethi ngiyabonga.
Nice one my brother.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu indlela edlale uMnigeria namhla ufaka iforce yonke. Uwenze umongameli odlalile abantu bengasola umongameli egcine ibhola but udlalile. Mina ngibona kwamongameli ngathola umuntu onjana phambili lapha right. Mina lapha ngikhala khona Juma ucoach wami la uyaperforma ngoba ngala maluza amaningi but ukhona kwabela usengangena ku top 4 sengathatha but into esolwa ngabantu ama draws but yena
sewuyile sport
iplayer kan good ngathintanga iyale ndadlala ibhola ichazayo elimnandi
ukholisile
hayi imali yethu labo athi $10 yangena.
My brother.
Yes, bro. The match was brilliant. You know, I told you that I can come from South Africa to watch the match. The match was brilliant.
Awela amara. Kumbo. Man, hey. Kumbo balekela u30 June.
Abafana badlalile yikho sifunayo 3 points. We are expecting another 3 points next week. Then we are fine, bro. Anything else sizobe improve along the line.
Nice one my brother. Nice one my brother.
Vetis my brother. Long time put us last time hayi ngaba grateful nga interview ubro wami ngagcina sihlala la kwezinye indawo. This is very nice and this is wonderful yawazi. Siyajabula i3 points lezi ezezakeleyo. This is very great about us. We understand. Yikho sikufunayo lokho. Next time siyaku Dynamos. And iDynamos sesivele sayethusela kakhulu, understand. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyafisa ukuthi like lizo uBoyze kwami lokho okuncane ukuthi khona kuthini.
Uthini wena Boyze?
Nithi siyawina next week.
Ngaki?
3-0.
3-0. Nice one, my brother. Samsa Betis. Mana is Santawara.
Right.
Santawara.
Na imilona abamzonda eSouth Africa but into engisho yanti ukuthi mina
awubalekele u30 June.
Hayi akulandaba amazi bawe silenkane vele inkane into zethu aze bethohle bathi siyadlala sikhona but into engikhala ngayo ukuthi mina so far into esiyibonayo anti ukuthi thina endless asiyali siwina namuhla siwina next week we are not progressing but so far asiyali appreciate okunjani okukhona but so far
yeah happy
so for today I am happy.
Nice one, my brother. Nice one. Mana izibura siyami buya bura siyami
posto lapho afa posto Swiss afa putas
iPP namhla clean
namhla iPP nganiyehlile hayi so far ngoba ndandidena mos so ngisazama ukuthi mina nathi amaphizi normally but ayibona mhla sihappy ngabona mhla sihappy and we are happy to extend ukuthi lokhana ukuthi abafana nje badlalile ngendlela lenjani correct and if they continue beyenza njalo lathi imali lana ama empuphu lana $5 siza continue swabhadala.
Nice one, my brother. Nice one, my brother. My brother,
hayi mina ngumoya emdala mina ngicela sivelele amagate wonke
amagate
ngenele yithi namuhla okuya ngibona yikho phela ucela but thank you boso.
Nice one boy.
Sembuyile
my brother
sewumewenza sewuyile
khuluma mewe
yabona Marwaru may God bless you with more punch yabona each and every time yabona siphozeza kusola yabona uChris baby yabona uPrince umfakile but asiyali ufake first half but we love it into ensileyo into ekhuluma last week ukhuluma la forward ngathi uPrince bemfake second half iqala but iqalile athi ngoba abu yahlokile ezoshaya amaphansi.
My brother,
yes, stand up
keeper.
Hayi mina ngijabulile konke sijabulile mina ngifuna ukuthi sicela abadala libhadala abafana ama winning bonus abo namuhla ngoba singajabula lapha kodwa abafana abengajabulanga akuncedi ngalutho badala sicela lilale libhadalile ama winning bonus abafana
kwezethu esijukile win
sezothi andiyawazi singastrike futhi siyawina.
My brother linjani
amnandi
siyabonga ama supporters eBhoso siyawena 3 points antsho siyabonga ama 23 points siyabonga amadoda namhlanje team isebenzile bhuti wami kulento emhlawumbe engceye team nesiyabe singayinazisi sesikhuluma ngeteam kupitch antsho i-team kumidi lapha kumidi today open to improve imidi yakhe ibi attack bebe release amabhola abo so fast okudala ukuthi attacking liyani yenzeni ihlasele ngamandla masinya tasawubona umNigeria makade thola ibhola bethi first attack ngalithola libuya from Bavari libuya lapha fast yabo dan isiba fast urelease asiyaget behlasele fast
man of the match okubembani
man of the match anginanzelelanga kade sibe but utho wakho mina ngokwami namuhla umfana osebenza kakhulu wena lo umfana no second goal umbani second goal Bavari athi futhi aqiniso futhi wamusebenza ngabonanga abathatha athi wabisa fast wonke abesiya forward sicela ubenzwana phela ubenjani kabe lesibindi i-team yakhe yakhulume labafana abana abathingile zinkaba abafana laba basebenza banepower yonke abafana laba bayarelaxa bayamdelela ngabathingile ngabatshela ekugcineni siyacela madoda anti abadala kabanika abafana izimali lokho esizwa ku social media lana kabakulungisisa.
Nice one, my brother.
Madoda iBlast Chiefs Senzen come Blast Chiefs come
My brother injani Potas Nandi
ngithanda ukubonga iplate yanamuhla 3 points ebusakeni uMarwaru mina ngithanda ukumbonga ngeplate yakhe because i-results lakhe li-right alisolisi alidanisi ngithanda ukubonga mina ngithafuna ukuthayela namhla izandla umNigeria alubani yimi engikhethayo i-man of the match namuhla umNigeria well played keep it up. Siyabonga kakhulu umNigeria achove ayiphambili manje i-game time futhi
mana Masaudio
skipper Masaudio utshone njani kodwa usizwa njani
mina imnandi
lapha na bengitheni lapha
uthe 2 note
bethe 2 note athi kuthi umthandazo wami njani usebenzile
hayi wena weSaudio
mina phela ngithomo weSouth athi libonile inyanga enkulu mina udala mosalinga ngisabi akunalutho lapha siyachapha futhi uyabe khona 50 kg yabuye eSouth nawe le so Marwaro ngoba lesibindi qina kakhulu Bavara lawe qina yensami wenze sona ku Dynamos
Congratulations Maruane. Siyabonga namhla wesithathu. Amhlophe. Nika abafana bale ibonus yabafana. Abakhona abafana ukuze besichaze eBF. Mongameli zama ukuconnecta mbijana phana ongani kuqa kukhona ngathi lapha sibela khona mfana. Iba ne pressure mfana, iba ne pressure naphi dlala ibhola eli right. So uDynamos ayenza kuhle mfana nami. Congratulations. Well done.
Nice one, my brother. My brother.
Ushabo mthala wami.
Amna emnani.
Hayi thina mina ngisola nje. But thina ileague asisayithathi. But sifuna ukubuild i-team maybe for 2 years. So abafana bengadlali le pressure befuna ukugijimisana labo Scotland. Thina sisazama ukubuild but singaqeda ku top 4 top 5. Sabe si happy kakhulu. Singasifaki ipressure kakhulu ngoba vele emuva i-race asisayitholi. But kumele sizi
Bara magame ane ngaselenzi.
akhona nje. But ikosalayo khona yikho engikutshoyo. I-league ukuthi siyithathe kuba nzima.
Nice one, my brother.
Kumele sibuild kuphela.
Nice one, my brother. Dala umafana emile. Mafisto.
Skip and put us.
Sharp, my father.
I think ngiyakubona lapha. 10 go.
Awuthe 2-1.
2-1. Sibonge khangela.
Faka. My brother.
Yebo uphutile njani?
Amna mnandi mphuro skipper.
Hayi akulalutho. Hayi siyabonga lamhla ibhola lidlalwe kuhle. Bona lo mfana mumonga anyabonga khanya uyezwa silu complainer
wakuzwa.
Awanyiswa kuhle. Hayi uyadlala umfana mkuhle. Sibonga lo Rene. Hayi Rene siyabonga udlalile umfowethu. Cela bakithi abafana bazama ukubanika izimali. Abafana bayahawula abantu abafana bethu bayadlala kodwa baswela izimali. Ababaholisi special kupay. Lanxa bengaswela iwinning bonus kodwa tsama pay abafana baphiwa amapay badlala enhliziyo bengabi besenzo kokustrike lokhu bengahambi kucamp. Abafana kabaphiwa imali. Ngiyabonga.
Nice one, my brother.
Shoput.
My brother.
Ushaput.
Okay mnandi.
Hayi lami ngiyayineka.
3 points esikhomeni.
Yeah.
6 points iviki yonke.
1 2 3 siyangenisa. Ngoba sichaye agama ngeThursday. Namhlanje sichaye iBulawayo Chiefs.
Right.
Ngicela ukuthi ngeSunday sizithole futhi silapha sichayane iDynamos. So that's why sithi slogan 1 2 3 sifake esikhwameni. Kodwa bhuti bengicela ukuthi ngibuze kakhulu la kabanzi. Kanti abadala beyilendazi why bengasitshela ukuthi sebepheka sebeziphekela bona injengu sebelama ingredients kanti bona ama ingredients abadala laba bathethe nga ukuthi bepheka injengu kanti sibesingela beboreni sidlule sithenga injengu into ephekwa ngeethanol butters kodwa abadala bamna ngifuna bengesiplenele bemphendula ukuthi ama ingredients laba bathethe nga ngoba thina sanatha kanti sisiphile levalweni asisakwazi ukuthi kungena phela kube le vaccine ukuthi bonke abantu injengu bemse vaccinate ngoba asekho safe good asekho safe ngiyabonga
hayi mntaka mama hayi namhla abafana abadlalile
hayi mina ngijayela ukusola hayi namhla mina kansi I'm happy yo kuyabe kukhona 1 2 but engikusolayo namhla kulutshana kakhulu ungananzelela okunye engichaze ngakho nje ukuthi at least la isebona mbijana ucoach anibona lapha efaka uRaushi wafaka lo Rizzi kube sejige but do dawo bese lelo card besokumela khaya he had to quickly correct that ngokufaka ubani uMahaji to stabilize him and we managed to score and ngala evuma ukuthi afunda nje ikithi thina lathi sizafundisana ngoba lathi ukhona nesingakwaziyo bathi kafunde kithi lathi sifunde kuye kungaba njako lokho sizahambisana hayi 3 points mina ngeke lokho sithi 1 2 3 singani 6 10 20 30 ezamise zimultiply nge10 ama draws lana siyabona
Tafula kusaro.
Yeah, it's game of football. You win some, you draw some, you lose some.
Ephorela kula Johnson.
I put on Johnson. Please, le problem with Jama win. Asan no, that was good. You guys, if Bulawayo Chiefs is the Islanders, unfortunately, and I stand there also a post team. Or put me one, but we are born who pension a team of Masquis Bulawayo Chiefs. Yes, this is and the coach. Yamniga 2-3 games. Handle no more same chair pera. Yes, this. Yes, this is.
Awesome, right? Awesome for the coach.
I coach Yamfuna. Uvege tema ndovu. Kapendu who play Chiefs. Our assistant. Jao Jala.
But I'm watching.
Lo agent sawo ubona assistant.
Esifuna ukamera one on one undingeza utshela.
Hayi thina nje ama-supporters eyayilanders akulanto esiyisolayo uBhenji nihlala sizwa abantu bethu uBhenji bayamsola kade silokhu siya phambili thina into esingazi ukuthi kumbe kunabanye abadala abantu abakwazi bepheya abafana ukuthi ngoba abafana bayadlala and i-team bayisupporta ngenhliziyo futhi uBhenji weblawayo yesupporta iDynamos so abadala labo kumele besitshele iqiniso ukuthi kuhamba njani ngoba thina kunje thina siyachithi isikhathi sethu sonke sibuya lapha ePF ukuthi imsebenzi sikhiphe izimali ngazi bethi ibhora liyi$10 siyangena siyahlala sikhiphe imali ezinkulu ukuthi at the end uzothi abafana baholi abanike abafana imali kuphela akulokunye esikufunayo like yabona even next week sine-Dynamos thina ne-Dynamos singabantu abayi-1 asifuni ikhitshwe kuleague kungaphuma i-Dynamos Landers akusela gore eZimbabwe.
Mina into engayikhuluma yabe lokho kuthiwa uBhenji kawonanga lutho abafana badinga imali abafana benganikeza imali bazadlala ngomfutho usasebenza njani wena ungela petrol udinga ujuice ipetrol ukuthi usebenze abafana benganika ipetrol basebenza yikho ubona ukuthi abafana badlale ngomfutho and siyakubonga abakwenzileyo into enhle kakhulu siyakubonga wena ungasebenza ungela amandla wena akuvumi.
Nice one my sister. My brother
hayi mina lapha into engicala ngayo one makhiwo abafana bazasebenza njani bona belambile wakwavuka usiyasebenza ungela lutho imali abafana bengaphi imali badlala bejabulile yenzele yiyo imali phambile senzo kunye uBhenji mina ngimsoli iproblem iyi-1 isikhathi atshintsha ngaso hayi kazama ukuthi ebe alert.
Nice one my brother. Nice.
Uyabona the way uBhenji from the first time afaka ngayo uReason Sibanda angithandi mina uReason Sibanda kumele aqale angene igame mayiqala nothi kumfaka kusabu asithandi thina uReason Sibanda kumele angene igame nxa iqala simbone adlale at least ngona amsabhule kodwa uReason Sibanda simfuna nxa igame iqala uReason number 9.
Nice one, my sister. My brother.
I'm so happy today. I'm so humble today. I'm celebrating. Just because Coconut and Kuruma last week, uBhenji anjabona. I-team uyaza. Mina ngifuna uchallenge uMasudu othi yena uMabhenji kazi lutho isithutha. Isithutha ngaphi Masudu? Masudu ngithabula uSudu challenge. Ngiyamchallenge uMasudu kathesi $100 bethe. Yena uthi uMabhenji kaboni lutho. But yet there's 2 wins in 2 games. Yabo sithi i-team bale bese 2-0 ngicela. But what I like that we are happy even abafana bengabhadalwa kungahambi kahle but abafana bawinile uPavari limbonile bayemsola uPavari yedlisa but you saw what happened and uPrince Dube he was my star player uPrince Dube he was star player juniors yes umbeba mnika nidlu banelenders ngicela uBheka limnika indlu ngiyacela ngicela indlu nayiswali indlu yanitshele mina ndinga indlu kusokolani kati umbeba mnika indlu ehlale ufuna lona uyayifelele ndazi kulele hathi nguyethe selelaye
nice one ticket
okume uchomlo ireal Tifari umbeba kapilo akujemiswayo period ikuthi project phamene phezulu.
Nice one my brother.
All right, what a game, what a phenomenon. The game was nice, but my analysis with the Highlanders, we've grew up with Highlanders. Some of us, we former football players from the Mkandaure family, about David Mkandaure, who come and play football here. So the problem we have with the Highlanders is the situation of administration. We've got a situation whereby the management and the chairmanship and the directors, they don't understand that this is the team for the people. It's not the team for the masses. or our sisters and brothers, but it's a team for the whole people from Zimbabwe. The Highlanders has got a lot of players, it's got a lot of supporters, but I wish I can see a team whereby during the days of Abo Jessica Pena, we talk about Abo Kapini, we used to groom players from Ekasi, from the Kero, Ziligazi, Makokoba, Nkulumane. So what we have now, it's a situation of financial management. We've got people that are committed to football. We've got players that are committed to playing soccer. What we have now, it's a situation whereby when players go and play and give their all into the stadium. They give their all. I want to give an example about Ndeba. They said we've been given sponsorship. I don't want to talk about people, I don't want to be political, but what I will say is let's pay the boys enough money. Let's give the boys what they deserve. And then football is all about unity. Football is all about oneness. The problem we have here at Highlanders is administration, only management.
Nice one, my brother.
The players are happy, everyone is happy. But for today, now I'm going to close it now. For today, we won. Happy for Highlanders fans, happy for everyone, happy for Benjani Mwaruwaru. But I wish when the team plays like this, everyone is committed. The boys get their salaries. Prince Dube or Umbeba, we don't want to talk about people's personal salaries, but every team ought to have a commitment. Every team ought to play their players, because for us, when watch, because of
Price button.
Nan bro mskiban.
Hayi, ngijabulile.
Uthi gagase kalo uthi wrap up.
Alright, ngijabulile. Uyayibona lisuthu le. Isuthu le ngayithenga. Smart la uyazibonela nje. Mina into engisolisa kuBoss. Abafana abasakhempi. Manje umfana ngenza imistake uzaba kwazi njani? Umuntu uyalala lo mfazi. Manje abafana baphiza imali zabo. Bakhempe iBoss ayenze okwebhora. Xa uyenza ipona asitshintsheni senzeni ipona kuyavuma lakho phela. Serious asicabangeleni abafana. Asicabangeleni abafana. Asicabangeleni abafana. Siyabonga ama results.
Nice one, my brother. There you have it, guys. The reactions from the Highlanders and Bulawayo Chiefs supporters. It finished here at Papa Field Stadium. Highlanders 2, Bulawayo Chiefs 1. This episode was proudly brought to you by Lucky Pets. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.